showing our back or running away. In life, we have troubles, but if you worry, you make it double. I am Zorazabi. I'm a student of 6th standard at Crescent Public School, Kishanganj. Muhammad Ali said, to be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. If you are not, pretend you are. Dear friends, in life we have troubles, but if you worry, you make it double. Yes, you have heard it right. If you worry, you double up your problems. Life is all about problems and challenges. If you solve one, another one pops up. There is no end to the problems till you take your last breath. There are problems, but if you run away from your problems, you will remain a loser. And we are not losers, my dear friend, and we should not be. We are winners, we are champions, we are fighters, we are warriors, we are unstoppable. We are born to face the challenges. We are born to win the hearts of the people. We are born to fight hard. We are born to achieve big things. We can and we will, but by facing the problems, not by showing our back or running away. I am the architect of my life. I build my own foundation and I choose my own bricks. I am ambitious. I am courageous. I am focused. I am blessed. I am determined. I am disciplined. Running away or worrying is the quality of coward. Never be a coward in your life. A coward gets scared and quits. A coward gets scared and quits. And heroes too get scared, but they never quit. Remember one thing. If you cannot fly, run. If you cannot